Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video session, I am going to solve week 5 assignment of cloud computing. So friends, let's see the first question. Dash is a normal contract between a service provider SP and a service consumer SC. So here SLA is a formal contract between a service provider and a service consumer. Okay. So I select option A. Now get into the next question, question number 2. If demand is exponential dt equal to et, any fixed provisioning interval Tp according to the current demands will fall linearly behind, and that is false because it is exponentially behind. Okay. Now get into the next question, question number 3. A third party application runs in the cloud for 18 hours per day. At the end of 1 month 30 days, it was found that the cloud suffered outages totaling 5 hours and T hours on different days over the service period. Okay. The cloud guarantees service availability of 98% of the time. What are the values of T among the given options such that the SLA negotiation does not get honored in terms of service availability? Okay. So application run 18 hours per day. So at the end of the month, it will be 18 into 30, 540 hours. Okay, clear? Now it was found that the cloud suffered outages totaling 5 hours and T hours. That means downtime five plus T hours. Then uptime will be 540 minus 5 plus T hours. I think that would be 535 minus T. So as per availability formula, A equal to 1 minus downtime by uptime. Okay. So here A means 98%, 98 by 100 equal to 1 minus downtime 5 plus T and uptime 535 minus T. Okay. So if I do the calculation here, 535 minus T, 535 minus T minus 5 minus T is equal to 30 minus 2t by 535 minus t. Okay, that means 98 by 100 is equal to 530 minus 2t by 535 minus t. Okay, so if I do calculate here, so I get the value of t equal to, okay, okay, now I get the value of t with respect to 98%, correct? So that value is guaranteed and the SLA does get honored in terms of service availability. But here it is asking that the SLA negotiation does not get honored in terms of service availability. So in that case, we have to increase the value of t. So 98% will come down. So we have to increase the value of t. So, and that should be greater than 5.58. Okay, 5.58. So here we can see 6 hours is there, 8 hours is there. So that will be the correct answer. Okay, so I select C and D. Now get into the next question, question number 4. What are the correct statements regarding VM load management? Option A, when a load increases, new VMs should be scheduled to new nodes. That is correct. When load decreases, use WOL to start up waiting nodes. That is not correct. When load increases, use WOL to start up waiting nodes. That is correct. When load decreases, live migrate VMs to more utilized nodes. And that is also correct. So here A, C, D is the correct answer. So I select A, C, D. Now moving into the next question, question number 5. Statement 1, in resource management, resource allocation is the allocation of a service provider's resources to a customer, and that is false. Resource mapping is correspondence between resources required by the users and resources available with the provider, and that is the correct. So statement 2 is true and statement 1 is false, and B is the correct answer. So I select option B. Now moving into the next question, question number 6. Which of the following is a resource allocation approaches in resource management? Options are intelligent multi-agent model, network queuing model, energy aware resource allocation, reinforcement learning guided control policy. Here A and C will be the correct answers. Now moving into the next question, question number 7. consider that the peak computing demand for an organization is 250 units. The demand as a function time can be expressed dt equal to 5t. Baseline owned unit cost is 120 and cloud unit cost is 150. The cloud is owned for a period of t times units. Select the values of t for which cloud is cheaper than owning. Okay. So here answer would be 50. We have to find out the utility pricing U, which is CT by BT, okay, and that should be less than 1. Now get into the next question, question number 8. Which of the following is our objectives of resource management? Increased latency, scalability, improved throughput, improved security. Here B and C is the correct answer. Okay. So I select B and C. Now moving into the next question, question number 9. In computing, there is a non-linear relationship between the number of processing cores used and power consumption, and that is true. Okay. Now get into the next question, question number 10, which is the last question of this assignment. If demand is flat, the penalty will be linear. If demand is flat, the penalty will be 0. So that is false. So I select option B. So friends, I have completed this assignment. Hope this is benefited to you. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment if any, and press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.